2 days of heavy clearing have left this land completely transformed, but a project of this scale will always test your patience. Heavy machinery takes a beating in this thick bush, and today a farm grade has ground to a sudden halt. We have a major breakdown to fix before we can push another single meter into the wild terrain. Just 12 machine hours into the operation, the track shaft of the bulldozer dislodged, leaving the machine completely immobilized. After assessing the damage with our operator, it was clear we needed professional reinforcement. We dropped everything and made a trip to Nkoranza to find a welder with the right gear. It took us 2 hours of searching, but we secured the team, packed up a 4 kilowatt diesel generator, welding rods and tools, and rushed back to the site. Time is money when a machine is down. We fire up our portable generator right next to the tracks to get the necessary power out to the field. The welding begins. For 4 continuous hours under the hot sun, the team is cutting, aligning and fusing the heavy steel component back into its proper position. Repairing a D6R in the middle of a remote farm field isn't easy, but the welder works methodically to ensure the joint is reinforced enough to handle the immense stress of pulling down more mature trees. With the track shaft finally secured and the bulldozer back on its feet, we can't afford to lose any momentum. Before the operator climbs back into the cabin, it's time to fill up the tank. The D6R has an appetite for fuel, consuming 300 liters over the last 2 days of grueling work. Because we are far out in the field, we store our fuel in large barrels and drums on site, manually transferring it bucket by bucket into the machine's 350-liter tank. It is a slow, old-school grind, but it gets the job done. The repairs are complete, the tank is full, and the machine is revived. In farming, setbacks are just part of the routine. It's how fast you recover that determines your success. The D6R is ready to roar back to life and finish what it started.